Go stupid.
It's a tree. Wait. Oh, let's see. Wait. Yeah. How you feel?
Tired.
How you feeling?
It's very hot.
How do you feel?
Tired.
What's up?
Good.
How do you feel?
All right.
Hey!
I know.
I like this. How you feeling?
Feeling good.
Oh no.
Uh-oh.
Maryland, Sydney.
What happened? No. Oh, it's
Go ammo when I pick up.
How do you feel, Tito?
Good.
Oh no, Emma, Amy.
Everybody in their space.
Amy.
What's up?
What's up? What's this going?
What are your thoughts on this day?
It's beautiful.
How do you, Scott? Who's Scott? Yeah, you're right. Hey, Tommy.
Hey.
How do you feel?
I'm pretty tired. Trying to remember my name. It's hard.
How's your day? How was
Good.
it?
Good.
What are your thoughts?
Been fun.
Would we do this? Would you do this again?
Yeah, I would.
What about you, Travis?
Georgia is beautiful.
How do you feel?
is good.
How do you feel?
Feeling
Give
good.
your thoughts. It's an interview.
Ow.
Interview.
Georgia is good.
Yeah. How do you feel?
Hi, my name is Nathan Wien, and I'm at Warnerville right now. And I feel good. We just played some volleyball. I just met a new friend, Tommy. He's really cool.
Is he your favorite?
Yeah. Not as cool as.
Would you do this again?
Yeah. Yeah.
How do you feel it?
Stepping on my feet, but feel good.
What are your thoughts on this hangout?
It's pretty nice. I like the people.
Oh, I had some stuff on my lips.
What are you anticipating most right now?
I don't know. It's have fun.
What's your favorite part of today so far?
Sports.
What kind of sports?
Volleyball, the swing, football, some soccer.
All right. How do you feel?
Good. That's a little low. It's a little close.
What are your thoughts on this whole thing?
It's cool.
How do you feel about I was gonna do something really controversial.
How do you feel?
No photography, please. No photography.
Stop. Serve. Not serve.
What's your favorite part of today?
Kenny.
Kenny?
Yeah.
That guy's your favorite part?
Yeah.
You heard it here, folks.
Vlogs?
Vlogs. Hey.
Yeah, Oliver, say hey. Oliver's camera shot.
He's a famous YouTuber.
10 million subscribers.
We'll check back on you. Us girls really want to go shopping right now.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
We're asking more people. Hey, how do you feel?
Good.
What's your favorite thing you did so far?
Favorite thing? Playing badminton.
What are you anticipating most for tonight?
Probably sleeping.
Yes. Oh, Sung is hiding.
Yeah, she's hiding.
Bean! Bean! How do you feel?
Great.
How do you like today?
Good. You made me die.
iPad kids got an iPad. Except it's Samsung. Are you good at this game?
Yes.
Let's ask some more people. Hey Jenny, how do you feel?
Tired.
Yeah, a lot of people have been saying that. How do you feel?
Good. Hi. I also feel good. Hi.
What are you anticipating most for tonight?
Anticipating?
Worship.
Music. Yeah. Looking forward to singing.
Yeah! Oh, can you get it?
There you go.
Thank you. Hi. What's your favorite part of today?
The air. It's nice, I guess.
We love touching grass. Hey. How you doing?
Having fun down there?
As you can see, there's waterfalls over there. This guy is outside right now. He's watching TikTok. What is it?
You having fun? Yeah.
Hello.
This is my new friend I made.
They nói they all hôi hết.
His name is Oliver.
Nhà mình được càng mở ra không mở hai
Oliver, come here. Come here.
chú hào nào nhưng không có đủ đó, like, không có nhanh đủ đó.
Come on, Oliver.
Who haven't I interviewed?
Thôi just nói một hồi.
No, I did.
Nên nói một hồi.
I'll be back. Alan, how do you feel? I'm vlogging, Alan. Alan, how do you feel? Nice interview.
How's your hike?
How was your hike?
It's fine.
What was your favorite part about today?
The water.
Have you made any new friends yet?
Always.
Like that guy.
Always.
Really? What's his name?
I never met him.
Go meet him.
Hey, my name's Tristan.
Hello, my name's Jimmy.
Jimmy? Nice to meet you.
Success. Let's go talk to Sydney. Hey Sydney. I'm sweating. How was your hike?
It was good.
How was your hike?
It was good. It was really good. It's really good.
Oh, man.
With you? Yeah. Because I don't want to leave this in here.
We are sleeping over at Grace's house.
Anything that you think is going to be hoo in the sun. My Hershey Kisses.
Let's interview more people. I don't think I've interviewed Tommy yet. Have I? Would you like to give an interview?
No. No.
How you feel?
Pretty terrible.
What's your favorite part about today?
Probably been playing volleyball.
What are you anticipating most for tonight and tomorrow?
Swimming.
For swimming? When?
I don't know. I want to swim down there.
You got something right here.
Draw something. You draw something.
What did I drop?
Nothing.
His nose makes him look like Daniel.
You must not become a YouTuber.
I am. I don't know who else to interview. I'll get back to y'all. This Kool-Aid
Kenny,
is amazing,
Amazing.
your friends are leaving.
but I really wish we had Capri Sun.
Capri Sun.
Today was great so far. I can't wait, and I hope me and the girls go shopping later.
Shopping.
All of us go shopping.
Yeah, let's all go shopping.
All go shopping.
I'm getting tired of exercising.
Exercising.
I went on the hike. It was okay, but it was really hot. It's really humid today.
Really humid.
Thank you.
Drink a piece. I'm in Kool-Aid.
I will. But don't litter. Throw this way.
Makeup. How was it? It just turned on.
Really, really good.
Really good.
It's so good.
How are you? How are your chips?
My chips?
How are your chips?
My chips are really good.
Oh, let's interview my parents. Mr. Wang, how do you feel?
I'm doing good. I like it. I like it. Are you recording or your video?
Video, how was your hike?
Good, good.
Live stream. Yeah, so good today. I had a good time.
Yeah! Thanks. How's your hike, mommy?
It's good. Very relaxing. Tired.
A little bit
Relaxing.
tired, but you're okay. We good.
Very tired.
Sir,
Yes,
what do you think about today?
it's good.
You good? How was the drive?
It's awesome. It's not too far.
Who drove today?
Jonathan.
What about you? How you,
just-
kind master?
I'm just sitting and relaxing, having fun.
Any word for your wife?
Yeah, enjoying my life now.
What about your wife? Any word?
Yeah, she has her time at home with the girls.
Okay, what about you, sir? How fast did you go today?
I don't know. 95.
Oh, that's Rookie's number. How about you? Who drove you today?
Huh?
You done? How fast did he go?
120.
What about you? What about you?
We went 115.
Who took you today?
Tristan.
How fast y'all go?
115.
That's Rookie's number. Who took you today?
His name is Yang.
How fast does he go?
120.
That's Rookie's number. What about you, son? What's your name?
I follow the speed limit.
Tito? What about you? What's your name?
Kevin.
Kevin? How fast you go today? I gotta go super speed.
No, I follow speed limit.
Oh.
Give me the camera. Give me the camera. Let me ask you.
What?
How fast you went?
120?
Yeah.
That's a working number. That's a working number.
Sir, how's the banh mi?
You wait until I bite.
Food review.
Yeah. But it looks yummy to me.
Where'd you
it
get
looks
that?
so delicious.
Where'd you get it?
The Warnerville Church, Chị Tâm. She ordered it. Yeah, it looks so good to me. So
Give me a
delicious.
bite. Give me a bite.
Okay, give you a bite.
Close up.
How does it
All
work?
right.
Show us.
Close up.
Oh man, you don't want to ask me how does it work? I'll show you how it works. All right.
Give me your yummy face. Give me your yummy face.
ASMR.